Hi guys, Daniel here from Nature Plus Beauty Tips and Tricks. Today we are talking about skincare tips. There are 7 effective home remedies for healthy and flawless skin. Apply raw potato. Raw potato is a great skin brightener. Combine honey and cinnamon. Turmeric can do wonders. Turmeric can do wonders. Tomato juice is effective. Milk plus honey is magical. Moisturize skin with tea tree oil. Rose water is the basic. From potato and papaya peels to lemon juice, using home remedies is one of the best and most affordable ways of getting flawless skin. Guys, as you can find most of the ingredients in your kitchen, you can prepare do it yourself face mask for healthy skin. We suggest you to watch a few tutorials online and take note of the following tips. Apply raw potato. Raw potato is the great skin brightener. Fine mash the potato and apply on your face as a pack and rinse after a few minutes with lukewarm water. Potato is excellent for treating under eye dark circles as well. Cut thin slices of potato and keep on your eyes for a few minutes. Regular use of this will give you a glowing skin. Combine honey and cinnamon. People suffering from acne should use a homemade mask made with honey and cinnamon. This mask helps in reducing active acne. Apply fresh aloe vera pulp as it is a great moisturizer for acne, pores, dry skin. Turmeric can do wonders. Turmeric consists of natural antioxidant, antiseptic and skin brightening properties. Apply a paste of turmeric will help remove tan and treat blemishes. Lemon is high in vitamin C and oxidants and antioxidants, making it another excellent skin brightening. A paste made with curd as base and mixed with turmeric and lemon is excellent for removing tanning. Tomato juice is effective. Tomatoes help in shrinking pores. Mix tomato juice with a few drops of lemon and apply on your face, rinsing with lukewarm water. Regular use of this will give you the best results. Tomatoes also help in reducing blackheads. Massage your blackheads pores area with tomato slices. To deal with blackheads, milk plus honey is magical. Honey and milk can do wonders in bringing out a flawless glow which every human craves for. Milk helps in preventing acne and moisturize the skin well. People with sensitive skin can use face washes that contain no chemicals and paraben. Moisturize the skin with tea tree oil. Another important step in the skincare routine is the application of a moisturizer. One should preferably use essential oil like tea tree oil and jojoba oil, which aid in masking imperfections and improve the texture of the skin. Guys, tea tree oil should be used with a carrier oil and should never be applied directly on the face. Rose water is the basic. Rose essential oil or rose water is one of the best toners out there which is suitable for all skin types. Store it in a spray bottle and use it twice a day. It will help to soothe and calm the skin balance pH levels and help repair the skin elasticity. So, these are 7 simple tips that can help your skin to rejuvenate and also protects the skin from becoming dull and puffy. So guys, I hope you like our video. So if you like our video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. So we will meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.